So if a number is given to you like 49, okay, if 49 is given to you, or let's say 25, take 25, so 25 is given to you, okay, and the question is find the square root, okay. So as we know that the value of this square root is equal to 1 divided by 2. So here we have 2. So you will need to find the number जिसको आप multiply कर लो 2 times, so you will get 25. So if I get let's say I am taking 4. So if you multiply 4 times 4, like if you multiply 4 2 times, so you will get 16. So as 16 is less than 25, so मैं ऊपर चले जाता हूँ. So let's say 5 को ले लेते हैं. 5 times 5 that is equal to 25. So मुझे वही नंबर आ रहा है 25, ओके, जो मेरे पास जिसमें मैं इंटरेस्टेड था. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So instead of 25, I will write 5 times 5. So as we know that in multiplication the power should be added. So as we know that the power of this 5 is 1, the power of this 5 is also equal to 1. So instead of writing 5 times 5, I will write 5 this power 1 and this power, और square root अपनी जगह पे आ जाएगा. So this will be equal to 5 square root. So as we know that the value of square root is equal to 1 divided by 2. So instead of square root symbol, I will write its number, that is 1 divided by 2. Okay, instead of symbol, I wrote 1 divided by 2. So if you simplify this, so this 2 will cut out by this 2 and you will get 5, which is also equal to 5. So the square root of 25 is equal to 5. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. What if 26 is given to you? And the question is find the square root. So if you multiply, as we know that the value of square root is 2, 1 divided by 2. So आपने 2 times multiply करना है. अगर if cube root is given to you like cube root, so here you will get 1 divided by 3. So आपने ऐसा number find करना है जिसको आप 3 times multiply कर लो, like 4 times 4 times 4 या 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so the number of multiplication depend on this value or this value, that how many times you will multiply 4 or how many times you will multiply 5, it depend on this value or this value. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे 4 होगा तो आपने 4 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करना है, अगर यहाँ पे 5 होगा तो फिर आपने 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है, like this.
Okay.
But here the question is find the square root of 26. So यहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं है, so it means that the value of this square root is 1 divided by 2. So if you multiply 4 2 times, so 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 is less than 26. अच्छा, अब ऊपर चले जाते हैं 5. So 5 times 5 is 25 and this is also less than 26. So मैं और ऊपर जाऊंगा. So 6 को ट्राई कर लेते हैं. 6 times 6 is 36 which is greater than 26. Okay. So it means that 26 is greater than 25 but 26 is less than 36. Got it? So it means that for 26 मेरे पास ऐसे दो नंबर नहीं है जिसको मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर लूँ और उससे मैं 26 मेरे पास आ जाए, क्योंकि अगर 5 को मैं 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर लूँ तो मेरे पास 25 आ रहा है, अगर 6 को मैं 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर लूँ तो मेरे पास 36 आ रहा है. सो इन दिस केस आपने फिर नंबर को देखना है. ओके, देन यू विल सी द नंबर कि ये नंबर किसके करीब है. सो इज इट नियर टू 25, इज इट नियर टू 25 और इट्स नियर टू 36. It's near to 25. Okay, 36 is near to 25. So आपने estimate करना है 26 को 25 में. So you will write like this. After estimation, so 25 square root and that is equal to 5 times 5 square root and that is equal to 5 square root and that is equal to 5. So the answer of 26 square root will be equal to 5.